Okay. Okay, let's start our activities. Here, we have to get this one, all of them. I will get this one by one, color by color. And, okay, take 2. We have to, sige na, dali na. Okay, dali na. Dali na. Hold this one. All of them, hold this one. Come. Sige na, kaya ako ni ihang. Sige na, ambi na. Sige na, come. Hold this one na. Come. After this one, I will give you a reward na. I promise that. Sige na, I promise that. Okay. You have to put the color in the cup based on the color, ha? You have to get this one. Put it here in the color violet. Very good. Color violet. Okay. Violet. Okay. Very good. Sige na. Color green. Where is the color green? Put it here. Okay. Put the color green here. The red. Green. No, this is the color green. You put it here. The color green. No. The color green. Put it here, the color green. The green, you transfer it here. Okay. Yellow. No, the color yellow is here. Sige, stand up na. Yeah, stand up na. I will give you a reward. Finish the task. Sige na. Stand up. Yeah. Finish na. Stand up na. Sit down. Color red. Where is the color red? The color red is here. Okay. This one. Color orange. The color orange. Yay. Very good. Good job. The violet. Here is the violet. Color orange. Yay. Good job. Bata namin, loves. Good job. Okay. No. The color red is here. Very good. The color green. Good job. The red one. Okay. Good job, bata namin, loves. Yellow. Red. The green. Yay. Good job, Zainal.